You know guys, I am here at Chino's Specialty House. Yeah. Yeah. Ngayon ay kakain kami ng, you know, the kind of lomi that we wanted. That is the cravings that we want. So, yeah. Let's go.
Good evening, sir. What is your order?
Good evening. May I see the menu? Sir, I would like to order your expensive one. 3 lomi and 1 coke.
Okay, sir.
Make it fast. I'm in hurry.
I repeat, sir. One special lomi
Yeah?
and cook.
Yes?
Okay, sir. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay, sir. This is your lomi. Let me serve you. This is lomi from Batangas. Origin by lolo ni Tikalan. More soup. Sauce. Okay, sir. This is the toppings. Shanghai the chicken. This is the kikiam. Nimangwan. Tuloy lang. Also, this is the chicken balls made from prawns,
Wow, that's delicious.
cooked in olive oil.
Wow. You have a great recipe.
Yes, sir. This is the pork liver and chicken liver. Of course, we don't forget the specialty.
Do you need this, sir?
No, chicharon.
Okay. Oh my god.
Sir, this is your sauce. Let me put soy sauce. For the last, Coca-Cola.
Can I taste it first before you leave?
Yes.
So I can judge what you...
Yes, sir.
Let's taste this. It's sticky like, yeah. It's like lomi. Let's taste it. Cheese. Yummy.